6 Business Ideas for 2022. Subscribe my channel if you love my content. 1. Flipping items. Actually, what you are doing is reselling items here. Walmart and Target make money the same way. They buy items from wholesale and sell them in store for profit. The main point here is buy cheap and sell high. 2. Podcast production. You can make money by supporting podcast. You can work as editor for people. You can offer freelance services on platform like Fiverr and Upwork. Podcast editor earn about $30 to $50 per hour. 3. Transcription. You can earn money by converting audio into text format. It is high in demand freelance service these days. You can earn about $50 to $60 per hour. 4. Selling on Amazon. You can write book and sell on Amazon. You can sell blank book just like planner and earn handsome amount of money. 5. Pinterest account manager. You can do this like many people have business and have website. You can make pins and drive traffic to their website. People earn about $500 to $1,000 for their services. 6. Being a writer. You can write anything for students and earn money. If you are good at writing, you can sell your services on platform like Fiverr and Upwork. People earn $30 to $60 per hour.